Crime Reduction and Prevention in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas is a lively urban city with industrious residents who desire a secure and crime-free metropolis. Though Houston is not without a crime problem, like many metropolitan cities, therefore, the avoidance or reduction of crime in this metropolis is necessitated and involves the dynamic support of all residents of the community in conjunction with the state police department. Furthermore, the police department of Houston is working vigorously and communally with the public in preventing crime in the city by enforcing the law, ensuring the observance of laws and rules, and the maintenance of the general security of public places in unaltered conditions, and providing a protected environment. Inclusively, the police department in Houston, Texas wants 24-hour safety and comfort for all residents. Although, it is noteworthy that with the police department's initiatives in curbing and preventing crime in the city, with the communal effort of the citizens, the crime rate will be reduced since all citizens have a role to play in the prevention of crime. Moreover, crime prevention is the citizens' expectation, acknowledgement, and evaluation of the danger of crime, with the initiative embarked on for the lessening or eradication of the rate of crime in the city. However, in preventing crime, all methods implemented must be aimed at breaking the triangle of crime, which is victim, felon, and chance, but with the communal effort of the citizens. By promising and carrying out necessary crime prevention procedures, residents will help in minimizing the rate of crime in society, because crime prevention starts with each person, family, and home. Another initiative of preventing or eradicating crime is by mapping, identifying, and policing crime hotspots. In the initiative, the introduction of monitoring patrols, proactive apprehension, and public alert policing will create a considerable increase in crime prevention. This policing initiative will also assist the Department of Police and security agents in reducing and precluding crime in hotspot zones. An experienced police officer knows and instantly identifies major hotspots and the usual normality in them. Stepping up the level of patrol, proactive apprehension, and investigation of known and suspected criminals combined with the residents' alert will greatly diminish criminal activities within hotspots. Due to the complexity of hotspot policing, the introduction of innovations that will identify known criminals, such as computerized mapping and database technology that detects criminal activity in zones, could be put in place to curb crime further. In the recent past, investigations have led to the recognition that crime is not proportionally spread, but it clusters within the city district marked by poverty and inferior living conditions. Policing in such areas must be dynamic and unique by introducing door-to-door database policing technology into the system, and furthermore involving reliable resident policing. In conclusion, it is not an easy task to assess the long-term initiative in the reduction or prevention of criminal activity. Considering these difficulties, the evaluation of this subject will be based on three aspects: 1. The crime rate per 100,000 inhabitants, 2. The scope and nature of, and the resources allocated for the crime prevention initiatives, and 3. The resident responses.